Understanding the Marshall Plan, a key chapter in post-World War II history. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a significant part of world history, the Marshall Plan. This topic is not just about a plan, it's about how nations can come together to rebuild and support each other. So, let's embark on this journey to understand the Marshall Plan, its purpose, and its impact. The Marshall Plan, officially known as the European Recovery Program, was an American initiative to aid Western Europe after the devastating effects of World War II. Announced in 1947 by U.S. Secretary of State George Marshall, the plan provided over $12 billion, equivalent to about $100 billion in today's money, in economic assistance. The goal was to help rebuild war-torn regions, remove trade barriers, modernize industry, and improve European prosperity. To understand the Marshall Plan, we need to grasp the post-World War II scenario. Europe was in ruins, economies were shattered, and there was a real threat of communism spreading from the Soviet Union. The Marshall Plan was seen as a way to rebuild Europe economically and politically, thereby preventing the spread of communism. The impact of the Marshall Plan was profound. It helped in the rapid reconstruction of the European infrastructure, boosted the economies of Western European countries, and laid the groundwork for the modern European economy. The plan also fostered cooperation among European nations, eventually leading to the formation of the European Union. Despite its successes, the Marshall Plan had its share of controversies. Critics argued that it was a tool for American economic and political dominance. Some say it deepened the divide between East and West Europe, contributing to the Cold War. It's essential to consider these viewpoints to have a balanced understanding. The Marshall Plan remains a landmark example of international aid and cooperation. Its lessons are still relevant in today's world, where collaboration and support can lead to significant positive changes. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance and complexity of the Marshall Plan. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.